Y'all know what this is? Y'all looking at me right now like, boy, why you putting that on that power? Right? So, now, let me ask you this. On a scale 1 to 3. Now, be honest with me, y'all. I'm going to go through 2 more, so you got to be honest with me, all right? When you think about McDonald's, are they average, are they good, or are they excellent?
That's good.
No, hold on. Wait, let me rephrase this. Not food-wise, but customer service. All right. I'm glad I reframed that. Okay, I was like, hold on. All right. So scale on 1 to 3, they're average, they're good, or excellent? Average. I like this one, right? And so I want to show you what happens when you average. You don't get no business like that. You don't get no business like that. How many times y'all pull up to a McDonald's and it's not packed like that? You got tumbleweeds rolling around, dust and everything, right? It's like the Wild Wild West. Like, what's going on here? That's what happens when you average, right? There's 3 levels. There's average, there's good, and there's what? Come on. There's average, there's good, and there's what? Come on. Talk to me nicely, please. All right. Hey, I ain't gonna hold you though, man. They're fried slap. I ain't gonna hold you. Give me some barbecue sauce. I'm good. Right? So, on the scale, right? Are they average, good, or excellent? Who said excellent? Boy! Right? So, average, good, excellent. So they're average. Do we all agree that Burger King and McDonald's is average in customer service? Okay. All right. Now, how do you know they're average? Because they're nasty, but outside of that being nasty, how do you know they're average?
They hire low pay for their workers, so they become like it's not like you didn't know anything to do the job, you just have to be the bare minimum.
Man, you better talk your talk, man. Let's go, boy. Go ahead. Huh? Come on. Hey, we after this, man, we gonna have some Chick-fil-A. Man. I promise you. Right? And so again, when you average, at least McDonald's has somebody come through the drive. They ain't even trying to drive through. You feel me? They were like, yo, you straight average. I ain't messing with you. Right? Like, now, here's the thing that I don't like about McDonald's or Burger King. Right? Now, if you like it, you like it. It's good. But here's the thing for me. I pull up, they rushing my order. Come on, man. Come on. Right? They rush my order like, I'll be like, can I get a number 1? Is that it? I'm like, bro, let me breathe. Chill, man. Like, whoa. Right? Then I pull up, right? They don't even call me by my name. They say order number 79. I'm not no number. Treat me as a human being. Right? On top of that, I'm like, oh man, you gave me 1 sauce. And you got Shaniqua popping a bubble gum. You want another sauce? I'm like, yeah, I do want another sauce, but you gonna charge me for the sauce? You feel me? Why you charging me for the sauce? Well, each sauce is 79 cents, so if you don't get it, you can keep it separate. I'm like, what? I will park this car right now. I can't though, I gotta get to the kids. I gotta be an example, because leadership is not a position or a title, it's what? All right, I love it. Hey, Mr. Reed, you got some phenomenal kids in this school, I promise you. Hey! So, let me ask y'all this. Here's the scale. Are they average, good, or excellent? Come on, I'm going to say it one more time. Are they average, good, or excellent? They're excellent. Right? Listen to me. And here's the funny thing, right? I took my son to Chick-fil-A, right? Because my Chick-fil-A was all up on like Taco Bell and stuff like that. He's like, Dad, take me to Taco Bell. I said, you never been to Chick-fil-A, have you? He said, nah. I said, I'm gonna take you to Chick-fil-A, right? So we pull the Chick-fil-A, we get up there, and I told him off rip, I said, J-Mon, you need to understand something now. This is gonna be a completely different experience. We on a whole nother level. He said, Dad, stop tripping, like, it ain't like that. I ain't gonna hold you. I learned that language from my son. I ain't gonna hold you. So I've been learning picking it up, trying to keep up with y'all. See him? He's like, I ain't gonna hold you, son. I promise you now, if they don't say my pleasure, they're not legit. I ain't gonna hold. I said, if they don't say my pleasure, they ain't legit, bro, right? And so I remember we pulled up and I asked for the spicy chicken sandwich. Hold the pickles, please. I don't want no pickles on it, right? And he hooked me up with that Oreo milkshake. I need that, right? And also let me get some Chick-fil-A sauce. Woo! And them waffle fries. Oh my God. We're gonna have to hit this up after that. I ain't gonna hold you. And I remember I said the order and then she said, is there anything else? I said, no thank you. She said, my pleasure. My son looked at me and said, Dad, they said my pleasure. I said, oh, this ain't nothing yet. Wait till we pull up and get the food, right? We pull up, we get the food. I said, thank you. I said, watch this. She said, my pleasure. Ooh! I said, bro, I told you. He said, yo, he opened up the bag. He said, Dad, there's more than one sauce. I said, my dude. I said, thank you. She said, my pleasure. I said, yes. Why? Because they're not average, they're not good, they're excellent. And I see the banner. I see it. Be you, be strong, be great. And also I might add to this, Mr. Reese, be excellent. Be you, be strong, be great, but be excellent in every area of your life. When you in the classroom, we're gonna be what? Excellent. Come on. When we at home, we're gonna be what? Excellent. When we in our community, we're gonna be what? Excellent. Because everything that settles at the bottom, you ain't gonna be average. Because average, I already showed you what average does. It brings one person through your drive-through. Now, we don't even want to go below average because everything's set at the bottom. You've seen the car. I ain't gonna hold you. That car looks pretty crazy, right? And so again, when you're operating at a high level, be you. As a leader, that's what makes you different. I don't care if anybody don't like me or not. I'm gonna be me. If I'm going out, when I leave this, I'm going out being William Winfield. I ain't going out being like Lil Durk, Miley Cyrus. I'm going out being like me. You feel me? Can I get an aye? Because here's what I realized. Nobody can be a better version of you than you. Right? And so we're gonna go out, we're gonna go out being who? Ourselves. Come on, if we're gonna go out being who? Ourselves. Right? Because you gotta be you, be strong, be great, but also be what? Excellent. Be you, be great, right? Be you, be strong, be great, but be what? Excellent. Man, I love this group. Now, I want to show you what excellence looks like. Come on now. Look at the excellence. Look at the excellence. I'm like, yo, I gotta get Chick-fil-A in the morning because the line's gonna be packed. I get there in the morning, the line's still packed. I'm like, bro, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. But Chick-fil-A is not average, they're what? Excellent. And when you're excellent, you get what? A lot of customers. You said it, right? And here's the thing that I realized about Chick-fil-A. They focus on a couple of things. The first thing that they focus on is making a personal relationship. When you go in there, they say, order for William. I said, me? Your name's William? I said, that's me. That is me. They give you the bag with love. They don't just throw you a bag. When you go to Burger King and McDonald, they just go, yeah. I'm like, well, I got to circle the block around twice. You got my order wrong twice. How do I get a cheeseburger and I just get a bun and you forgot the burger? How to make it make sense, right? You give me fries, I got 3 fries. Like, what in the hell is this, right? And so I had to understand, y'all, is that when you are at a level of excellence, everything around you is excellent. And one thing that I learned about life is that leaders attract leaders and consistency attracts consistency. There's not one person that is great at what they do and they hang around average. You hang around average, you're gonna be looking like Burger King. You're gonna be looking like McDonald's. But when you are excellent, there's room of excellence in this room right now. Every single one of you are excellent at what you do. So when you leave this room today, it ain't no more being average. Ain't no more being good. You demand excellence. You be excellent. You breathe excellent. You walk in excellence. You dominate excellent. You have to be you, be strong, be great, but be what? Excellent. You gotta be you, be strong, be great, but be what? Excellent. Because that's what we just do. Woo, y'all feeling me now. Y'all walk, whoa. I know, I feel you.